Hey everybody, welcome to JJ's Home Living. Today we are going to make some sourdough waffles, and I'm going to be using my sourdough discard that I keep in my refrigerator because I try not to let any of that stuff go to waste because it is super yummy in so many recipes. I hope you enjoy this one. I'm making some yummy sourdough waffles with my sourdough discard that I keep in my refrigerator. I set the timer for 7 minutes per waffle because I like them a little bit more done, kind of like with a little crunch. So for my sourdough recipe, is what I used is 1 cup of flour, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup milk, 1 cup of the sourdough starter, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And I just mix that all together for my batter. And as you see what I'm doing right now, after they get done baking and I let them cool, I put them in a freezer bag, and then I put them in the freezer so I can pop them out, put them in my toaster whenever I feel like having, well, mostly for snacks. Tell me in the comments what you like to do with your sourdough discard. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and God bless.